Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Tuesday, June 18th, 2024. Let's find out what's going on the Bitcoin to Tether at Zondacrypto. This is a daily time frame chart, as you can see, and let me just zoom out to see what is the situation here on the Bitcoin. This big consolidation here looks like a distribution, partial or full distribution of the Bitcoin. Now this particular situation here has been present on market since the top, let's say, was made at March 14th, and since today we got 96 bars, which means 96 days. 96 days long is more than 3 months. Okay, so this distribution, partial or full distribution, has been here for at least 3 months, and the biggest problem that bulls have is the level of 70,000 tethers. And now let me just mark these levels here. So that's the high, it's obvious. That's the other level here. There is one more level which is important, and the recent swing high made as a double top here, potential double top. So we got at least 3 levels, strong levels, that constitute the supply zone, right? So we need a breakout above the supply zone in order to continue the uptrend, obviously. Now we got this movement to the downside, and as you can see, if we apply the trend line here, maybe I will take the ray. Okay, if we apply the trend line here to the lows, that's a very nice trend line. That has been providing the support until it was violated and then almost tested, and the situation goes even worse for the bulls. Now there is a very interesting technical support here, located here, somewhere here, 65,500. This technical support is interesting because it used to be very nice technical support that was violated, tested, and then new local high was made. So it's a valid level for the bulls. It was tested on 14th of the June. Then yesterday and today it looks like we have a breakout lower. So please keep an eye on the today's close of a daily candle. If the candle will close below this level here, we have the confirmation of the downside extension with another target at 60,255 or even 56,956. If we apply RSI, the RSI is clearly showing us bearish dominance, the negative sentiment, and the room to the downside which is present on a daily time frame chart, and of course the room to the downside which is present here if we break below the technical support. So the RSI confirms this down move and confirms the current outlook, short-term outlook, is negative, is more bearish, and the distribution is still taking place. There is no sign of the dips buying. The bulls that want to buy the dip, they are still hidden. They didn't appear yet on this chart or even on the lower time frame chart. They're still waiting for lower prices. So most likely the current scenario is to the downside, unless we have, of course, the rebound here from this technical support. Okay, the levels are on the chart, both of them. So please stay focused and expect lower levels if we got the breakout to the downside. Last indicator we are going to apply is, of course, the moving average cross. So the short-term cross is here. 9 and 26 moving averages have been crossed. So we got another bearish confirmation of a short-term bearish sentiment, short-term bearish outlook. If we apply 100 and 200 periods moving averages, we can see that the market is trading below the 100 periods moving average already, and the 200 periods moving average is roughly around the local swing low located at 56,740, which might be very nice target for the bears in the near future. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.